I stand with Palestine, and this is the reasons why. You killing black people in America the same way you killing Palestinians over in Israel, the same way that you bomb in Lebanon, the same way that you do in Beirut. We living in a war zone in America behind the war on drugs. I'm the cook in Baltimore. I use this grill to save and help and enlighten and educate our community. I'm Shorty's bootleg barbecue. So good I'm illegal. His meats taste good in your mouth. ddshortman@gmail.com. My number ain't changed. I was doing a documentary about Baltimore and I used my grill to do it. All right? Because everybody like to eat and I feed Baltimore. You feel me? I feed Baltimore. Books over bars, education instead of incarceration. Like I said, I stand with Palestine. We're doing art in the park. This is just a test run. Governor Westmore, everything that you got, let me do this like this. Everything that Governor Westmore got, he got to turn over to the voters before Election Day. You feel me? You got to turn over to the voters for Election Day. That's less than 30 days, man. Racism don't work without black cooperation, and it ain't gonna end without white participation. You can't charge me with terrorism and then lose your case and still claim that I'm a terrorist. You're talking about parole and probation. Like I said, Shorty's a traveling art show. All right, right here. I'm Shorty's. All right, see that? Shorty's bootleg barbecue. That's my penitentiary number, my 86 number. N62528. That's from the 86 war on drugs. I went from Baltimore's worst to Baltimore's best. Success is the best form of revenge, and I'm successful. All right? That's 2021 Weaver Award. Love and respect always, Shelley. All right? You see the people here? That's OFJ, Out for Justice is your home. Thanks for all that you do, Natalia. That's me. I'm a mentor. That's Baltimore, Bopa. And that's Baltimore, the best of Baltimore. And that's who I am. This is parole and probation. And that's Governor Hogan. That's Eric Barron from the Department of Justice. You feel this? You feel me? That's the IRS. And that's Out for Justice. We talking about voter suppression by the Democratic and the Republican Party. That's Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake. That's Thelma Branch. That's Delegate Smith. That's Clippinger. That's Mosby. All right? And right here is Baltimore County Claims Department. I filed a $250 million claim against the state of Maryland. And that's Judge Papaya, Judge Turnbull, Judge Souter. And that's the School of Law. I'm getting ready to school y'all. That's Scott Shellenberger. Racism don't work without black cooperation. That's Corey McCray. That's Chief Johnson. That's Governor Westmore. That's Governor Westmore. All right? So like I said, Shorty's Traveling Art Show. I'm the cook in Baltimore. I'm getting ready to cook y'all up. I applied for Martin Luther King's job and y'all got mad. So I put it on film. Everything I've been doing since 2006 is on film. This book is worth $5,000. I'm selling it. You feel me? So when you vote, vote the correct way. I'm a Republican. I'm a black radical Republican. And Governor Larry Hogan had me taken off the ballot in 2014. That's voter suppression. You feel me? And that's Governor Hogan right there. Governor Hogan, can you answer my whistleblower's application? That's my whistleblower's application. That's Sitnor. That's Anthony McCarthy. And these are the supporters of Shorty's. All right? That's the Internal Revenue Service. See the date? Internal Revenue Service. I'm out $250 million. And I'm going to show you hidden assets. All right? We're going to show you the money behind the machine. I ain't George Floyd. I ain't Freddie Gray. I ain't Anthony Anderson. I applied for Martin Luther King's job and y'all got mad. I use a toilet because the toilet is about public accommodations, the right to use your bathrooms. We talking about history then and history now. Slavery then and slavery now. How y'all doing? Shorty's Traveling Art Show. You just got to drive through. This is a drive-by. It's art and activism, the art of protest. See who got that? That's States Attorney Marilyn Mosby. That's Chief Justice Mary Barbera. That's the United States Attorney General's office. All right, in regards to Shorty Davis. All right. And that's in 2019. That's Judge Badar. That's Adrian Jones. And you see who he is? All right? We talking about the Committee on Drug and Alcohol Abuse. And you won't even talk to me. That's Dutch. And these are the supporters of Shorties. Y'all made me famous for the toilet, so I'm going to run with that. It's in the city paper. See who got that? That's Commissioner Harrison. See who got that? We talking about the money behind mass incarceration. Governor Westmore, you took an oath to defend the Constitution. I'm an honorary discharged veteran, just like you. I'm a veteran. And my country ain't serving me. Neither are you. My kid's been to Washington, D.C. with this toilet. And we talking about a right to property. You feel me? A right to property. Like I said, I'm out for justice, and we looking for justice. I'm headed to the Supreme Court with this shit. You feel me? St. Paul School for Boys. The supporters of Shorties. We are employing any and all appropriate officials in the state of Maryland to assist Shorty in his justice in Illinois. That's Governor Westmore. That's Judge Carrion. And these are the supporters of Shorties. Like I said, it's a traveling art show. What's up, what's up? Traveling art show, and they get to see all this shit. That's Marilyn Mosby. And that's an anti-violence program that I gave Baltimore City in 2006. Davis versus Illinois. United States Supreme Court, 2007. Ex-felons got a right to vote. Expand the ballot, expand the vote. I got a whole box of tricks for y'all. You feel me? A whole box of tricks for y'all. Like David and Goliath, I got a slingshot. I'm gonna shoot my best shot. There's room for everybody at my table, and I feed the city. Asselbrook know about me. That's Dwayne G. Davis, 1402 Lochner, the White House, 2009. President Barack Obama. Can you see it a little bit better? If not, just come up here on Shannon Drive. You can see the whole show. Art and activism. The art of protest. That's Governor Westmore. Yeah. We talking about BOPA. Creative Alliance. Visionary Arts Museum. Art and activism. The art of protest. Ain't no fun when the rabbit got the gun. So like I said, I feed the city. Feed your mind and feed your body. So come on up here. It's free and open to the public. All you got to do is come and look and see. When you see that flag, you're going to see me.